All right, guys, welcome back to the active showroom here at St.Albert Dodge. We're previewing this 2016 Audi A6 Technic Quattro. Quattro, four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive. Just to start on the outside here, guys, we got parking sensors on the front with these beautiful LED headlights, okay, coming around. What looks to be a nice all-weather or all-season tire on aftermarket Fast FC wheels. You can see the longer saloon-style body, so similar to your A classes, so your A4s and your A3s, just a little bit bigger. Means a way bigger back seat and a nice healthy boot in the back as well. Okay, chrome accents throughout. Okay, looks like some aftermarket tint done as well from the previous owner. If we look in the back seat, nice and spacious for a sedan. Heated seats in the rear, full leather interior with the S-Line package as well. If you'll follow me to the inside of the vehicle, we can take a look and see what's all going on. Right, guys, welcome back to the interior of this 2016 Audi A6. 113,000 K on this vehicle. Very, very low mileage based on the year that it was driven below the industry average per year. Couple of things I want to go over in terms of features. Very briefly, you have heated exterior mirrors. You have 3 memory settings for your seats. Power lumbar with a power seat as well. Heated steering wheel to start with as we dive into the vehicle. Coming in, you have your little mini trackpad here as well as your rising screen for the dash. Parking sensors on front and rear. Heated seats, dual climate control, everything that you could kind of ask for in your Technic package. The previous owner was also gracious enough to leave us with his WeatherTech all-weather mats. Popping into here, you have a nice little set for your cup holders, which are sleek in design, very hidden if you want them to be. The vehicle has onboard nav, as well as the Audi multimedia package as well. Popping into here, cute little area for some USBs. Looks like 2 of them, one for the actual infotainment system and one strictly for charging, as well as an auxiliary cord as well. Guys, if you have any more questions or you'd like to book an appointment, please call me here at St.Albert Dodge. That's Anton at 780-952-4472. Thanks.